Today we are at the Hannover Messe USA event in Chicago. We have a live 5G network in the 5G ACIA booth, which we deployed in partnership with our customer Verizon. We have about 4 live demos here. The first one is an autonomous mobile robot that is running over a 5G network. We also have a connected sensor-enabled milling operation where you can monitor the real-time condition of your milling machine and optimize the production. We have a connected PLC unit, which enables you to collect real-time data from all the devices that are connected to the PLC machine. And finally, we have an AR/VR application running on the 5G network for remote monitoring of the machines.
Ericsson is a founding member of 5G ACIA, so Ericsson is part of 5G ACIA from the beginning. Verizon is also a very important partner. And with Verizon and Ericsson, we have here really a perfect demonstration how the network of 5G ACIA and the partners are collaborating together and enabling added values for end users that they can really make the best out of this technology. We have here some demos which are tailored for safety applications, and safety is one of the key assets in factories where people are involved with wireless connectivity. We can reorganize the factories from static assembly lines to modular production, and then with the intralogistics we can reorganize everything and have a lot of power in the factories to make more efficiency, and these are promising new use cases.
Our network is deployed utilizing a 5G EPC core along with our transport and RAN solution. We have radios deployed up on top of the booth to transmit to the devices down below. The devices are connected over 5G to a mobile edge compute servers to run their demos with LTE and 5G non-standalone, utilizing C-band and millimeter wave.
Manufacturing industry is going through a tremendous transformation where a lot of automation is coming into play and a lot of data-based systems are coming into play. We call it Industry 4.0 or smart manufacturing, and that's a very common term. The underlying message of that term is that a lot of computer and data analytics-based applications and software-based applications are taking the front seat of manufacturing.